Astro Life Coach Shefali. Welcome to this series of annual readings for the year 2022. This reading will be live across the year. However, you have to remember that this is a general reading, so you have to take a guideline from this reading and plan your life accordingly basis your sun sign. Hi Geminis, let's see what's in cards for you for the coming year 2022. Friends, as you're aware that this is a general reading, so pick and choose the advice that connects with your current situation which you're going through right now while you're taking this reading. Friends, this is a general reading for you also. If you are looking for a more personalized reading, you can actually book a session with me for your annual general reading or monthly detailed readings, highlighters. The packages are already open. So let's quickly start with this reading, which is annual reading 2022 for Geminis, that is people who are born from 21st of May to 20th of June. So we'll start with the energy that is expected to surround you in the coming year. For the relationship segment, we have rest and rejuvenation energy. So this year is going to bring you a little bit of peace, calmness, and it is going to restore your energy and bring a lot of positivity in your relationship. If you have been facing some struggle in the relationship, yes, this is a time when you are going to sit with yourself and prioritize the relationship that you are into, or whatever is bothering you, you are going to let it go and move on. Whatever is actually soothing you, you are going to accept and receive it in your life and take your relationship to the next level. There is a help at corner. So if you have been really stuck and really psychologically stressed in the relationship, there is a energy, there is a person, there is an energy who is actually going to take you to the serene waters. They are going to help you to actually sail through the tough time in the relationship and take you to the very peaceful and happy times in the relationship. Now, whether this is a marriage, whether we are talking about sibling relationship with yourself, relationship with people and society around you, whichever relationship has been primarily on the top of the mind while taking this reading, this is a message for it. The burden is a message which other cards, which Osho Zen cards are suggesting. So somewhere you were burdening unnecessarily, you were burdening yourself with some responsibilities or with some preconceived notions in the relationship, which was making your journey heavier in the relationship. So this is a time when you will have to unburden yourself, let things go, let things settle by, and let yourself be light enough to move towards the positive side in the relationship. A very good energy is surrounding you to heal the relationships if anybody is suffering in it. And if people are actually enjoying the relationships, it is going to take you to the better level, much better level and richer level in the relationship. Coming to your career, friends, we have blossoming abundance energy, however in the reverse position. So somewhere Geminis are going to face little tough time in terms of their career growth. So it's not that they will not get opportunities or they will not be growing in their career, but somewhere they will not be meeting their expectations which they had from the career. Now for some of you, these expectations which you are setting for yourself might be unrealistic. That's why you're not meeting it. For some of you, it might be realistic, but it might be unattainable at this point. For some of you, it might be feeling, you might be feeling that the goal or that ambition that you have about your career is unattainable. So it's not that it's not that you will not be able to achieve it, but it is going to take you a lot of hard work and lot of time to actually reach where you want to reach, because there will be a lot of hurdles which are expected here. So here you have to take care that you don't compromise on your morals, because for long term, if you want to build your brand image, if you want to build your personal brand, you should not compromise with your morals to speed up the process of growth or to speed up the expectations that you have from this career growth. So overall, it's going to take some tough time or some hard choices and some hard steps which you'll have to take up in the coming year to take your career to the next level, but it's going to be a free flowing career. Not that there will be a blockage, but yes, there will be challenges, major challenges, which are going to groom you into a better career person, a better, stronger professional per se, if you take it in the right spirit. So this is whether it is in your job segment, whether you are in a business segment, and whatever career challenge is bothering you, this message is for that at this point of time when you are taking this reading. Okay, this is a timeless reading, annual reading. Okay, coming to your finances, friends, door to value is open. So though you are going to face some challenges in your career, we still see door to value open. That is, money is free flowing. There is access to money, there is access to abundance, there is access to monetary and financial security in your life. And yes, you are networking rightly, you are enjoying with your connecting with the right people to build a financial strength, financial growth, and taking your finances to the next level. Just go slow and steady is the message for you. Go slow, go mindfully, take the rightful advices, and along with people, you will actually be able to make better decisions in terms of your financial growth. Coming to your health, friends, we have heart chakra energy, fourth chakra energy, which is ruling you. So you are going to be feeling very healthy at heart, very happy, very fulfilled to an extent, majorly from your relationship as well as financial perspective segment, as we can see it in the cards. You will be, of course, there will be certain routine things which you will be doing to take your health, or to take care of your health, but you will be missing on some small things which you need to proactively be aware of and mindfully take care of your health. Share if you are feeling stuck and in taking decisions, right decisions in terms of your healthcare. Share it with a lady who is really concerned, genuinely willing to help you and give you rightful advice, rightful counseling, rightful strength to take care of your health and take a grip of your health, because it is going to be a little ignorant phase for you. Like, you will be little ignorant about whatever opportunities you want. The best health situation, optimum health situation maybe, but you are not being realistic to achieve it. So whatever is in your hand, you should take it up and start to work towards making your health to the better level. And yes, there is a prospect available here. So the law of attraction is the message given by angels. Angels are suggesting you to attract what you want. So be mindful, be conscious, be cautious while wishing something for you, because you will be able to attract what you wish for. So wish rightful things, you will be attracting rightful things. Wish bad or wish if you wish something wrong or incomplete, you might attract that. So be very cautious and conscious while actually attracting some thing in your life. Dhumavati is the message from yogic card. So now Dhumavati is a goddess of failure and sacrifices. So basically this message is suggesting you that whatever tough time you have been through, whatever hard time you have been through in this year, which yes, you are expected to go through, especially in your career segment, take it as a learning phase. Don't take it as in a negative frame, but take it as a learning phase, which is going to groom you to a better individual, better professional, better person, to actually face and grow your career to the next level. Now we also have drawn a relationship card for you guys to understand what is the one message for your relationship. We have sacred union message, which we have got there. This card is suggesting you to treasure your relationships, honor and treasure your relationships, because this year is going to be a major relationship year where you are going to actually nurture relationship, whether it is with yourself or with somebody who really matters to you. That relationship is going to grow to a next level if you put it rightful efforts over there. So sacred union, you will be uniting with the right souls, right connections, right people, and building a very different bond and a rich bond in the coming future. So this year is very highlighted. If I go to highlight, this year is very prominently your relationship year, your finance year, and you will have to be little strong and little mindfully planning your career, because you are going to face some challenges here, but they are for your own betterness and own grooming. So I hope this reading helps you guys, friends. Take care. Friends, I would like to tell you that if you want to book a personal reading, if you are looking for a personal report, the bookings are open. The booking is open right now. We have two packages for personal report, annual personal reading report for tarot reading. Book right now because these are limited reports which I'll be giving on first come first serve basis. Don't forget to check out my website www.astrovruksbyshafali.com. You will be able to see what all services I provide because we are a multi astro a psychic stream brand, so where we use different streams in astrology and psychic medium psychic sciences to arrive at the most optimal solution with a practical and a scientific and non-sales driven approach totally. So you can check our principle, our pillars of the brand. You can check what all services I'm offering, what are the packages available. And I would like to mention, friends, that we are present globally. So I service clients across the globe sitting right here in Mumbai. So it is very practical, very doable. So wherever you are based, it is irrespective of the location. I can service you. All you need to do is just connect with me across the phone call or a Zoom session or a telephonic session. So that is about Astro Vruksh by Shafali. We are integrated destiny management solutions brand. To know more about it, you can check our channel promo on Astro Vruksh by Shafali. I would also like to take an opportunity to announce here that this year we will be starting Astro Vruksh Academy, wherein we will be offering different courses in different segments to start with tarot reading. Friends, I would request you to share these videos with more and more people so that they can also get guidance through these general readings, through these personal, so that they can also get some personal guidance through it. You can share it through WhatsApp group, Facebook groups, and populate it as much possible so that they can get free guidance through these free videos at least. And do follow my social media channels. I would be open to know your feedback through comments. Do share your comments on this video and on other videos too. If you have any suggestions, try to pass it on. Unfortunately, I have not been able to do a lot of pick a card readings this year because I have been caught up with a lot of pre-commitments, but I will try to do it for the coming year surely. If you are wanting any specific topic on which I should cover pick a card readings, do suggest it to me. Thank you and see you soon.